Hi guys, this is Iqbal and Safreen. We are very happy and excited here today at the Glenwood Park where phase 1 of our community garden project has completed, and we are very grateful to all the volunteers who showed up here today. SoFlo Mopro volunteers, people from Masjid Ansar, people from FIU, Law School, as well as the Children's Trust Youth Advisory Council. Thank you so much. As you can see in the back, kids are having a lot of fun. They're resting for a little bit. We did a couple of things today. So we did a community survey with the neighbors and folks from this community to find out what fruits and vegetables they're interested in. We also planted some gardens in a few neighbors' houses, and we also potted some plants and gave it away to some of our neighbors. So, Bob, you want to talk about what are the next steps for this project?
Sure. So we are very grateful to the Miami Foundation who helped to give us a lot of the money that we're using. The idea is that we're going to transform this park, which is barely used, into a community garden. So Brownsville, where we're at right now, is a food desert, which means that within a 2.5 mile radius, there's no fresh fruits or vegetables available. And so the idea is that we're going to create a community garden, bring people from the community out to plant and to create foods that are here, and then eventually also this area turn it into a farmer's market. So people once a week, they can come here and they would have the ability to get fresh fruits and vegetables, and it would also be, we would accept EBT payments as well. So the idea is to transform and connect the different groups that are here within Brownsville into sort of a cohesive community and to make it a more beautiful